Welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to recover Coinbase account password. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, launch the web browser that you're comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL type in coinbase.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to the official website of Coinbase. Now, in order to recover your account, first of all, you have to get into sign in page. For that, head over to the upper right corner of this interface. There you will get two buttons, sign in and sign up. So click on sign in button. Now, first of all, enter your email address associated with your account. Then click on continue. And on the next step, you will be asked to enter your password. Since we don't remember our password, we have to recover our password. So under that text box, you will get a link that says forgot password. Click over there. Now to reset your password, you will get an email on your email address that you have provided here. Then click on reset password. Here an instruction has been sent to your email to recover your password. Now open up the Gmail on your desktop. You will get a receipt from Coinbase. Open up that email and there you will get a link. Click over that link and then you will be able to reset your password. Type in the password that you would like to change and then again confirm your password. Then click on continue and then your password will be reset. Now the next time you log into your account, use the password that you have recently changed. So that's how you can simply reset your password on Coinbase account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.